to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post on my channel Thursdays and Sundays and sprinkling in some goodies every now and then. And today we're going to be opening up one of my subscription boxes. And I'm not, like, I've had it almost as long as my other subscription boxes, and I filmed those like immediately. And then this one came like the day after, and I was like, this is my Glossybox. I noticed though, my Glossybox dispatches or gets ready to be shipped first out of all my subscription boxes, and then like doesn't come till the end of the month or the next month. If you know, you know. Go check out my Glossybox playlist so you can see more. You can also like, comment, subscribe while I struggle to open this box. I don't think these boxes are openable anymore. They used to be super simple, like, to open, and then they changed to these kind of boxes, and you're supposed to be able to pull this little tab and pull it all the way across, but there's no perforations right here, so how am I supposed to pull it across? I'm gonna get my handy dandy little cloud knife, and we're just gonna slice away from ourselves. Never cut, like, that's the first time I've done the don't cut towards yourself and didn't cut towards myself at the same time. Oh. Ooh, this looks cute. I feel like I wore the wrong shirt for this, and here I am just like, I might as well get it done. This is kind of cute. Let me show you. So here's the box. And here's the box. Little wonders inside. That's everything. Yeet. Show me what you got. Oh, this is cute. Are we sick? Dang it. If it wasn't for these adorable boxes, I have gifted so many things in the Glossybox boxes I get. I have none left. I went to wrap some things for like the holidays. There's none left because they're so freaking cute. I'm not giving this one away. Forget you guys. Ugh. I opened it. If you're new to Glossybox, it's a monthly subscription box. I'll leave more down in the description below, but I feel like we just need to take a moment. Look how cute. Not all my box wonders. Not all of my boxes come neatly packaged. And this little cutie on top, okay, so they did this last month, but because there was a design in the back, I couldn't do this, so I had no idea how to figure this stuff out. But they included a card, and it says Glossybox, which I think the theme for December 2023 is wishful moments, because it's here. Nope, this says wonders. Wonders, wishful moments. Wonderful wishful moments. Yep. And then on the back it says scan me. It said read this month's Glossy magazine with all your latest tips and trends. Let's get my handy dandy little pahone, and then we scan QR code, put it down. I've learned a little bit. I think Amazon's here. Oh, and then it says go to web page. Oh, this is cute. It sounds like Amazon. This is cute. So I scanned it and this pops up. It's adorable. I know you can't see because of the ring light glare, but here she is. Behind the story behind December. Glow this Christmas. Cozy Christmas Eve in our Christmas wish list. Oh, my little hairs are like bothering me today. Let's okay, contents. We got editor's letter, story behind December's box, wishful moments, full reveal, shine bright like a diamond this month. I can't help that. Every time somebody says shine or shine bright, you have to finish that sentence with like a diamond. Rihanna would want it that way every time. Cozy Christmas In, Christmas Wish List, and then Sneak Peek. Let me see. From the editor, Philip Kingsley, Jean Brown, this year, Charlotte the Beauty editor. The story behind the box. Tell me. May your wishes come true with our heartwarming December edition filled with both carefully selected classics and trending products. The 6 glamorous additions inside this special design tin will make your beauty routines look and feel effortless. Okay. The full reveal. There, 1, 2. So you don't get all these products, but you get a lot of them, or you get a selection from them. Does that make sense? Yeah. So here's a bunch of things that could be in the box. Yeah. And then it gives me information about highlights, how to spend my night in with candles and warming things. Men's Glossybox. Ooh. Now, I've tried those before and he did not like them and I was annoyed. Ooh. I do enjoy candles. I'm one of those people. Ooh, New Horizon. So the theme for January should be New Horizon. Should be. Okay. See you next time. I'll probably go through that more in detail after I'm done here. But, this is freaking adorbs. Like, yes. And we totally have like the longer string and then the one little bow ear bow thing. I love that. I think it's so cute. It reminds me of when I was little, couldn't tie my shoes. And now I'm adult and I don't like to tie my shoes. See a connection. How do I carefully rip this apart? Oh. We look so pretty. Look at this. I'll have to include in the description down below the items that are in here, but I definitely do see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's dig for number 6, shall we? Or let's go through them together until I get to 6. I think I could pull them up in the magazine and maybe give a rundown of what they are. Will it let me? I think I could. Wouldn't that be nice if I got a giant candle in a box instead? Is this? No. Is that? No. What are ye? Oh. Okay, so I flipped something over and I'm trying to look for it on here just to make sure I'm not crazy. I don't see it. I don't see it on here as one of the items I could get. But it's from a brand I really, really love. And I currently have, I think, all the products that I can get from them. But it's EVIO Beauty. And I love this stuff. Yes, I've made a video dedicated just to EVIO Beauty because I've ended up getting so much from them. I purchased the EVIO Beauty times Maria Gloria collection, which I loved. And then the mascara did so good. It was just... good times, good times. Go check that video out. Go look up EVIO Beauty. They're amazing. And this is their lip serum, which I don't have. I have their lippies, like the little, I forget what they're called. But one of them is, I know what they're called, but I don't know like what they are identified as. One of them is called Maria Gloria and the other one's called Nancy, and I love them both. And they're in my purse because I wear them that much. This is cool. It's hemp and peppermint lip serum. I just want to smell it. No, we're not too pepper. I do that all the time. We're not too pepperminty, which is good. I don't like an abundance of peppermint. I like a little bit, just not a whole heck of a lot. And then I don't think any of these are, nothing that I got is listed. So let's go through this because I don't think I got 6. Aside from this, I got a few things. So 1, Then we got something from Earth Harbor, which I love. It's the Glow Juice, the Refining Enzyme Mask. It's got red seaweed and fruit enzymes in it. I'm going to try and track down the prices and list them below for you because nothing that I got here is listed in the magazine, which is one thing I don't like about Glossybox. If you're going to send me something, like, tell me what you're going to send me. I'm just curious. I want to know more. I really do. It's just, it leaves me questioning. We're not doing this right now. We're not doing this right now. I love Earth Harbor. I have one of these. They're super great. Let me, why don't I try and open things from the top? You just open it from the bottom and it opens so much easier. Look at this. Look at the little jelly. Wear a glass jar, wear jelly. Don't eat it though. You probably should not eat it. I bet it says it on there too. Oh, wild crafted. I'm probably the reason why they put do not ingest on these things. Yes. Next is an item from KENRA. It's a volume dry shampoo. It's an oil absorbing shampoo. I don't use these too much, but always good to have just in case. You never know when you might need one or someone else might need one. I just wash my hair or pull it back like I did today. It's a little more oily than most, but I like this look just because I'm trying out like my new little scrunchie. We've been doing this for like a week now and I love it. It's super cute. Not sure how I feel overall yet, but you know, silk scrunchie trend, here I am. The next item is from, oh, First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. Probably like my beginning to skincare, not like skin treatment, but skincare, was First Aid Beauty, and this stuff was amazing. This as well, I use this on like my forearms. So it was like my elbow arm, my forearms, because I used to get the little bumps there, the little KP, it's KP Smoothing Body Lotion with 10%. Is it AHA? Yeah. AHA. Great stuff. Works pretty good. I love their moisturizers. And then we have this rose sheet mask. It's a Surf Chilled Rose sheet mask from Patchology. It has strawberry extract, resveratrol, and hyaluronic acid. The packaging's cute. I'll give you that right now. This is adorable. I like that. Little sparkles. And Surf Chilled, of course. It says for directions, unfold and apply to clean dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes or longer if desired. No need to rinse. The serum will fully absorb. Does it say? Rosé is pink and so is this mask. Cool. Might we suggest storing them in the fridge? Pairing with a beach picnic, snack cheese plate. Cool. Nice. I will. I have not thought of that. Like, it's getting kind of cold here now, so like my skincare at night kind of sucks because it's like I have my little mini fridge for my skincare and it's cold and then it's cold and then the cold, and but in the summer, oh, let me tell you, that skincare from the fridge, oh, chef's kiss. And that's where this is going. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Silk gel. That's everything in here. Yep. Little paper pieces. So 5. Even though the magazine thing said 6, and we got none of the items that it said we were gonna get. That's so cool. Where's my phone? Where'd it go? Yeah, none of the items. There's like Clinique items. Give Them Lala, Pixie, Philip Kingsley, Number 7, The Beauty Crop, Philosophy, None of these things. The only thing I got out of all this is the dang box. That's it. All I got out of all this stuff is the box. What did you guys get? Good stuff? Gosh. I don't know. I feel like it would have been better had I not scanned the little scan tag, because there were definitely some good moments with this box, for sure. And then I want to know why I didn't get the same things as everybody else. Did everybody else get the same things though? I want to know. I'm wondering. I feel like this is just kind of like a collaboration of leftovers. Elegantly packaged. Amazing like little tin doodle. And then boxed up and shipped to me. Why? Why? Anyway, we're gonna leave it on this note. For sure, 5.5 out of 10. I would still not recommend. No. No. Yeah. Let me know your guys' comments down below. You know mine, they're not great. I'm gonna go see if I can just edit this video and get it done with, because I don't want to think about this anymore. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, though. I'll catch you next time, though. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!